Okay, so we're doing an exercise that is partway through this Fundamentals of Inquiry series, and the idea is that the series of IFI, IFI works with elementary teachers around doing inquiry and science in the classroom. And it looks about when we look at elementary school teachers, we find that they feel least prepared to teach science through inquiry-based methods and have the least amount of tools to be able to do that. So they've developed a series for people who work with teachers, teacher professional developers, to help dive deeper into the methodology and pedagogy of inquiry, and then how you translate that into training teachers in the classroom. It's a powerful series. It was actually one of the most formative things that I've gone through in my career a number of years ago. We're actually pulling one of their exercises out here. We see that the role of inquiry and tinkering actually have a lot of similarities. And although we're not going to dive into that right now, the fundamental nature of curiosity, questions, being able to raise your own questions and then be able to investigate those is a powerful, powerful thing. So we're going to spend some time investigating, and at the core of that seems the ability to ask good questions. So we're going to spend some time exploring that today. This is actually an activity that, although there are materials and scripts we'll give you web links to them if you want to use them. This has been modified a little bit for what we're doing, and this is also not something to do with the general public, although people have done this for the general public. This is generally set aside as a professional development tool.
Just to clarify, this is not an activity that we think of as a tinkering activity. So don't do it in your tinkering studio unless you really think about it carefully and decided it's the right thing. It's something that for you guys to think about.
Okay. So with that in mind, if everyone could clear space on your table, you just sort of need a pen, and you might want to keep your composition board out there. 1, 2, 5. We're going to work in groups of 4.